हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल VGR सॉल्यूशंस में, जहां हम आज CSIR नेट मैथमेटिक्स 2020 के कुछ क्वेश्चंस के सॉल्यूशंस देखेंगे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू? ऑप्शन से एवरी ऑड इंटीजर इन ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू 16 डिवाइड्स n - 1 फैक्टोरियल प्लस 3। B. Every odd integer in greater than or equal to 16 divides n - 1 factorial. C. Every even integer in greater than or equal to 16 divides n - 1 factorial. And D. Every even integer in greater than or equal to 16 divides n - 1 factorial plus 1. So for option A we will take n is equal to 17. So clearly this is not divisible by 17. So option A is not true. Similarly for option B, we will take n is equal to 17. This is also not divisible by 17. So option B is not true. And for option D, we will take n is equal to 16 because there are mentioned that every even integer. So we will take n is equal to 16 and we will see 15 factorial plus 1 doesn't divide 16. So 16 doesn't divide 15 factorial plus 1, so this option is also not true. So remaining option is C, so our option C is correct. Question number second, let A be a 2 cross 2 matrix with determinant A is equal to 1 and trace of A is equal to 3, then the value of trace of A square. We know sum of the eigenvalues is equal to trace of A, which is equal to 3, and the product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A, which is equal to 1. So lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to 3 and lambda 1 into lambda 2 is equal to 1. So we can find lambda 1 minus lambda 2, which is equal to under root lambda 1 plus lambda 2 का whole square minus 4 lambda 1 into lambda 2. We solve this, we will get lambda 1 minus lambda 2 is equal to square root of 5. Now lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to 3 and lambda 1 minus lambda 2 is equal to root 5. So we will get lambda 1 is equal to 3 plus root 5 upon 2 and lambda 2 is equal to 3 minus root 5 upon 2. We know if lambda is the eigenvalue of A, so lambda square is the eigenvalue of A square. So eigenvalue of A square is equal to lambda 1 square comma lambda 2 square, and trace of A square is equal to lambda 1 square plus lambda 2 square, which is equal to sum of the eigenvalue. After solving this we will get 7 as our answer. So option D is correct. Question number 3. Question number 3 is Q be a real quadratic form on R square if Q is positive definite, if Qxy is equal to xy, Qxy is equal to x square minus xy plus y square, Qxy is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, D Qxy is equal to x square plus xy. तो हम यहाँ पर सबसे पहले इन सभी क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म की सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स फाइंड करेंगे. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स फॉर क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म A इज इक्वल टू 0, 1/2, 1/2, 0. अब हम इनकी आइगन वैल्यू चेक करेंगे. इफ़ ऑल द आइगन वैल्यूज आर ग्रेटर देन 0, सो आवर मैट्रिक्स इज पॉजिटिव, आवर क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म इज पॉजिटिव डेफिनेट. So determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0, so lambda is equal to plus minus 1/2. So not all eigenvalues is positive, so not positive definite. For option B, A is equal to 1 minus half 1. Now again we will find the eigenvalues of the matrix A. We will get lambda is equal to 1/2 and lambda is equal to 3/2. All eigenvalues is positive. This implies quadratic form is positive definite. This is single correct option, so option B is correct. We will discard other options too. We can solve this question by principal leading minor also. Question number 4. If A is equal to 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1, then A की power 20 is. So we will find A square by simply multiplication by A into A. We will get A square is equal to 5 minus 4, 4 minus 3. Similarly, we can find A cube, A dot A square. We will get 7 minus 6, 6 minus 5. Similarly, we will solve for A20 and we will get 41 minus 40, 40 minus 39. So option B is correct. Question number 5. Let A and B be 2 cross 2 matrix, then which of the following are true? So determinant of A plus B plus determinant of A minus B is equal to determinant of A plus determinant of B. Determinant of A plus B plus determinant of A minus B is equal to 2 determinant of A minus 2 determinant of B. Determinant of A plus B plus determinant of A minus B is equal to 2 determinant of A plus 2 determinant of B. Determinant of A plus B minus determinant of A minus B is equal to 2 times determinant of A plus 2 times determinant of B. For option A, we will take A is equal to 1 0 0 0 and B is equal to identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. So determinant of A is equal to 0 and determinant of B is equal to 1. And A plus B is equal to 2 0 0 1 and determinant of A plus B is equal to 2. And determinant of A minus B is equal to 0. For option A, determinant of A plus B plus determinant of A minus B is equal to 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. But this is not equal to determinant of A plus determinant of B. So option A is not correct. For option 2, determinant of A plus B plus determinant of A minus B is equal to 2, but this is not equal to 2 times determinant of A minus 2 times determinant of B, because 2 times determinant of A minus 2 times determinant of B is equal to minus 2 and 2 not equal to minus 2. For option 4, take A is equal to B is equal to identity. So determinant of A plus B minus determinant of A minus B is equal to 4. This is not equal to 2 times determinant of A plus 2 times determinant of B, which is equal to 2. 4 not equal to 2. So option 4 is not correct. So remaining option 3. So option 3 is correct. Question number 6. For the extremal 0 to 1 xy plus 2y dash ka square dx at the point y0 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1. What is the value of the extremal? So by Euler formula, we have del f over del y minus del over del x del f over del y dash is equal to 0. So f is equal to xy plus 2y dash ka square. Y dash is equal to dy by dx. So del f over del y is equal to x and del f over del y dash is equal to 4y dash. We will put the value in Euler's formula. We will get x minus d over dx 4 times y dash is equal to 0. After differentiate with respect to x of 4y dash, we will get x minus 4y double dash is equal to 0. This implies y double dash is equal to x upon 4. So y integrate with respect to x, we will get y dash is equal to x square by 8 plus c1. Again integrate with respect to x, yx is equal to x cube plus x cube upon 24 plus c1x plus c2. After applying initial condition y0 is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1, we will get yx is equal to x cube upon 24 plus 23 upon 24x. I hope you guys like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel VGR Solution. You can follow us on Instagram. Page is upsc_math_gk, and you can follow us on FB also, and the page name is upsc_math_gk. Thank you.